Good morning, students. Today we're going to start with exercise 3.4. In this exercise, we're going to do subtraction. And your first question number 3, is like, is it possible to subtract 4,973 from 1,239? So let's just write. What is being said in this statement is that 4,973 is to be subtracted from 1,239. Now you tell me, can this happen? Can we subtract a bigger number from this smaller number? No, that is not possible. So the answer to the third question is that no, it's not possible. Okay. So let's move to fourth question now. Fourth question is like, in fourth question, you have to write subtraction sentences for each of the addition sentence. You have to write subtraction sentences for your addition sum. Before we do this, I just want to show you an example. If I write like this, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now you see this 5 is greater than 2 and is also greater than 5. So that means we can write 5 minus 2 and we can also write 5 minus 3. This can happen, right? We can subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Now you see. Now 2 plus 3 को जोड़ के 5 आ रहा था. After adding 2 and 3, we were getting 5. हमें 2 और 3 को जोड़ने के बाद 5 मिल रहा था. अगर मैं इस 5 में से ये 3 बाहर निकाल दूं, तो बचेगा क्या? 2 ही बचेगा. 2 will be left out. If from this 5 I take out this 3, then what am I left with? This 2 only. And if I do oppositely, if from this 5 I take out this 2, then what am I going to left with? This 3. I'm going to left with this 3. So same thing. You don't need to subtract it. You simply know if from 5 we take out 2, we're going to left with 3. Since we were given with this thing is given. ये चीज दी हुई है, तो हम यहाँ से चेक कर लेंगे कि अगर 5 में 3 ले रहे हैं, तो what is left? 2 only. No need to subtract it. Simply write, looking at this addition sentence को देखकर आप direct subtraction sentences लिख दोगे. So let me show you clearly how to do it. If you are given with an addition sentence, then you have to write subtraction sentences like this. For example, you have an addition sentence like this. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Then your two subtraction sentences are going to be subtraction sentences will be 10 minus 7 equal to 3, 10 minus 7 equal to 3, and 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Simple. Okay. So let's get started with our questions now. Question number 4. A part. Your sentence for addition is, first write addition sentence. That is 2,591 plus 1,235 equals to 3,826. Your subtraction sentences will be 3,826 minus 2,591 is equal to this one, 1,235, and other one will be 3,826 minus this one, 1,235 comes out to be this one. 2591। एक बार ये माइनस कर देंगे, एक बार इसको माइनस कर देंगे तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा, एक बार इसको माइनस कर देंगे तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा। आई होप क्लियर। Every time first you have to write addition sentence, then corresponding to that addition sentence we have to write two subtraction sentences. And remember, if your addition consists of two addenda, then you can only write two subtraction sentences. Okay, B part. First let's write addition sentence, that is 7142 plus 215 equals to 7357, and your subtraction sentences will be 7357 minus 215 comes out to be 7142, and 7357 minus 7142 comes out to be 215. You don't have to do any calculation, आपको कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं करनी है, बस यहीं से देख के आपको लिखना है, क्योंकि इनको ऐड करके ये बन रहा है, तो इनको में से एक एक निकालने पे आपको दूसरा वाला मिल जाएगा। ओके, now your C part. First addition sentence, $3,333 plus 2,222 equals to 5,555. So addition. So your subtraction sentences now. 5,555 minus 2,222 is equal to 3,333. 5,555 minus 3,333 comes out to be 2,222. Okay, simple. Now the part. Addition sentence, it's 1,723 plus 2,962 equals to 4,685. So your subtraction sentences will be 4,685 minus 1,723 equals to 2,962, and 4,685 minus, पहले इसको माइनस करा था, अब आप इसको माइनस कर लो, 2,962, and you're going to get answer equals to this, 1,723. 1,723. E part. Addition sentence, 42 plus 3,213 equal to 3,255. Subtraction sentences, 3,255 minus 42 comes out to be 3,213. 3,255 minus 3,213 comes out to be 42. Okay, first subtract this one, then you're going to get this answer. If you subtract this one, then you'll get this as an answer, but you have to subtract from this only, because this is the biggest number among these three numbers, so you have to subtract from this only. It should be here in both sentences. Okay, now F part. In F part, we have our addition sentence as addition sentence 5123 plus 1671 equals to 6794. In your subtraction sentences will be 6794 minus 5123 equals to 1671, and 6794 minus 1671 comes out to be 5123. You don't have to calculate, आपको calculate कुछ नहीं करना है, बस जब आप इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आप ये आंसर लिख दोगे, जब आप इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आप ये वाला आंसर लिख दोगे। देखो 6794 में से अगर मैंने इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करा है यहाँ पे तो आंसर दूसरा वाला नंबर आ गया है, तो सिमिलरली अगर मैं इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करती हूँ तो ये आंसर आ रहा है। क्लियर? सब्ट्रैक्ट में से करना है वो तो आपका बड़ा नंबर ही आएगा, क्योंकि आप छोटे नंबर में से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, तो यू हैव टू टेक दैट ओनली। जी पार्ट, एडिशन सेंटेंस 1234 plus 5678 comes out to be 6912. So your subtraction sentences 6912 minus 5678 comes out to be 1234, and 6912 minus 1234 comes out to be 5678. Now H part. H part, addition sentence 5100, sorry, it's this one, 4571 plus 2587 equals to 7158. Subtraction sentences 7158 minus 4571 comes out to be 2587, and 7158 minus 2587 comes out to be 4571. ये नंबर यहीं पे रहेगा बड़ा वाला दोनों टाइम, एक बार इसको आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, another time this one, and you'll get the other number as an answer. Now let's move to our fifth question. So in our fifth question we have, can you form two subtraction sentences for 1241 plus 1400? Sorry. Can you form two subtraction sentences for 1241 plus 1241, which comes out to be equal to 2482? Now this question is asking you कि क्या आप इस एक एडिशन सेंटेंस के लिए दो subtraction sentences बना सकते हो कि नहीं? Let's see कि क्या हम बना सकते हैं या नहीं बना सकते हैं. First we need to write the addition sentence. Our addition sentence is it's 1241 plus 1241 equals to 2482. Now it's time to write the subtraction sentences. Subtraction sentences 2412 minus 1, bigger number has to come here, this one, 2482 minus 1241. It will be 1241 again. 2482 पहले मैंने ये लिख लिया, अब मैं ये लिख लूँगी minus 1241 which comes out to 1241. तो आप ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस सेम तो हैं, both are same, there is no difference, these both are same. That means we cannot write two subtraction sentences for this addition sentence because जो दोनों आपके आ रहे हैं both are same, so that means one only. If you write 4 minus 2 equal to 2, another time you write 4 minus 2 equal to 2, that remains same only, right? बात तो एक ही है, तो ये है तो एक्चुअली में एक ही, आप तो बना ही नहीं सकते हो। एक सेम चीज़ को आप दो बार लिख दोगे तो वो अलग अलग तो हो नहीं जाएंगी, राइट? जस्ट लाइक दिस, अगर मैं ऐसे लिख दूँ 4 minus 2 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2, both are same things, है तो ये सेम चीज़ ही ना, कोई डिफरेंस थोड़ी है। That means for this one, this addition sentence, we cannot form two subtraction sentences. So that's we're going to write here. No, we cannot form two subtraction sentences. That's all. Okay. So let's just move to question number 2, which comes before those all questions. Question number 2. Now question number 2 is very easy. Only two things you have to remember. And first one is same minus same comes out to be 0. अगर आप दो सेम चीज़ें मतलब सेम को निकालते हो, if you have one ball in the basket, suppose this is a basket, okay, you have only one ball and you take out this one ball, you take it out, and now what is left in the basket? What is left? Nothing, and this nothing is called 0. That means when we subtract two same numbers, the answer is always 0. आंसर हमेशा 0 रहता है। एक बास्केट में से अगर एक बॉल को निकाल लिया, एक ही बॉल थी और एक ही निकाल ली, उसके लिए आपका क्या बनेगा? There was one ball and we took out one ball and we are left with now 0. अगर हम एक ही बॉल थी उस बास्केट में और उसी एक बॉल को निकाल लेंगे तो what is left? Nothing. That nothing means in mathematics 0. इसका मतलब है 0. And the second thing you have to remember is that there is a basket, there are two balls in it, and I take out nothing. That nothing means 0. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं निकाला. So what will be left in the basket? Again, two balls are left. Already there were two balls. पहले भी two balls थी, हमने कुछ भी नहीं निकाला, right? We didn't take out anything. So what we are left with? Still two balls are left in the basket. So these two things you have to remember. Now what this fraction sentence is for this problem is that there were two balls in the basket and I took out nothing. That nothing means 0. So what will be left in the basket? Again two balls will be left, right? कुछ निकाला ही नहीं है तो जो था वही बचेगा, right? So these two things you have to remember while doing these questions of question number 2. So let's get started. You can see in your A part that is 4629 minus 0. That 0 means nothing. We are not taking out anything. हम कुछ भी नहीं निकाल रहे हैं, तो वापस यही बचेगा ना 4629. Simple. All the sums like this, this, and this, all will be done in the same way. They'll have the same answer. Now let's talk about the other type, which is in B part. It's 2429 minus 2429. ये देखो, जितना था हम उतना ही निकाल रहे हैं. As which was there, we are taking the same out. जो था हम सब निकाल रहे हैं. That means what will be left now? Nothing. And nothing means 0. Remember this thing. Using this thing, you have to do this sum, this, and this. So all the best. Thank you.